Yanghaseyo Chaidamin, D Shandevni Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, and I am back again with another unboxing for you. Today, I will be unboxing my Sephora Play Box for August 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information down below in the description about Sephora Play. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, this is what it looks like. The card looks like, rather. This is Beauty School is the theme. And I love this. And we always get 50 points, a Sephora Play card. You go into the Sephora store and to redeem this, you'll get 50 points. And I like this. Like I said, it looks like a composition book. Those of you that don't know, here's the other side too. Hold on a second. Yeah, here's the other side right here. Looks like a notebook. I love the theme. As you all know, it is August. August is back to school. I've been back to school since the kids started on August the 7th, and I was back August the 1st. Those of you that don't know, I am an educator. I don't think I've said that on this channel before, but I've been teaching in the school district that I work in for 8 years now. And I am now teaching 2nd grade. So far I like it. It's a lot to get used to because it was different from what I was doing before. I was still working in the school district, but I was a technology teacher. Then I was an interventionist for 2 years. And now I'm finally in the classroom. So this is what I went to school for and whatnot, and got my master's degree in. So I'm excited about that. And I have a very good class this year. So I'm very blessed. All right, enough about that. This is like a pop quiz, and that tells you, I love the way that this is. See that? It looks like a composition book. And this here tells you everything that you're getting in the Sephora Play bag for this month. Everything is samples, which I am not, complaining about, because you can always get the full size if something that you like at the Sephora store or Sephora.com. This is what the satchel looks like. It says on here, back to beauty school. And it's got your ruler, it's got your tools of the trade here, it's got your makeup brushes, your, what's that? Is that a mascara? Looks like a mascara wand and a ruler. So that's really cute. Let's open this up and see what we have. All right, so there are 6 things in here. I'm just going to reach in and pull out something. What is this? This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So you can't see, but this is what it looks like. Oh, there you go. And this here is other prices. There are no prices on here, but this is doesn't smell like anything. It's just a clear brow gel for when you are taming your brows. So I like this. Nice, nice, nice. Next thing in here, this is from Origins. This is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. And you get a nice amount in here. This is 1 fluid ounce. Like the packaging. Origins has some very nice skincare. There's the other side there in case you're interested. So yeah, I'll definitely use this. You guys know that I love masks, and I do a mask, maybe 2 times a week, sometimes 3. I do the sheet mask maybe 2 times a week, and do one of these about 1 time a week. So very, very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. What's this? This is from Make Up Forever. This is the Artist Rouge Cream. This is a lipstick in C211. It's a mini lipstick. There's the packaging there, my friends. It looks like that. And here is the color that I have. Let's see what this looks like. Does it tell me a color? Nope, it just says C211. Right there. Here's what the little mini bullet looks like there. And then, here's my color. It is a brownish nude color. There you go, right there. Soft nude color. Very, very pretty. Not bad. For me, it would look nice over a dark brown lip liner, so I cannot wait to try that. Next thing in here, what's this? This is Living Proof. This is from Style Lab. This is TBD, which is to be determined, maybe? What does TBD stand for? let's see. It just says TBD. I don't know what that means though, y'all. But what this is a multitasking styler. It's a styling cream, basically. It's for your hair. That's what it looks like. There's the other side. Some writing that's way too small. But it says for dry hair, apply a small amount and smooth into your hands and kind of like scrunch it in your hair like so. I'm not going to do this now because it's wash day for me. I need to wash my hair this weekend. So hopefully this will give me a hard hold. I like, styling products with something with a hold to it because my hair is more coarse. So I need like a gel that's going to really hold and define my curls. But I will try this and see how this works. Next thing I have, this is from Hoola. This is from Benefit. And it looks like that there. And what are you? It's bronze, matte bronzer all over face. This is a bronzer, it looks like. Let's see if I can open up this packaging. It is a bronzer. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Oh, it's cute. It comes house right there in the little packaging. Let's take this out. This is cute. There you go. There it is right there. And here's the other side of it. And there's no mirror. Doesn't smell like anything. That's what it looks like there. Let me turn it this way. That's better. This is the bronzer right there, which will probably, for me, be a highlight because it's kind of light. I could probably use this as a highlighter or to mix with a blush that's a little bit darker to kind of, tone it down some. That's why I like neutral blushes because they do a really good job at toning down, if I put on too much blush. Also, my foundation powder does that also. Last thing I have is from Wise Hair Care. And I got a shampoo and a conditioner. This is a pillow pack of each right here. The shampoo will probably be enough for my hair. The conditioner probably won't. I use like a small amount of shampoo when I wash my hair. Here's the other side. You probably can't see that. But, yep, this right here is the shampoo and conditioner that protects color, repairs damage, and it is for healthy looking hair. So let's see. That's awesome. That is everything, my friends. So in my Sephora Play bag for August 2018. Let's recap. I got the OI Hair Care shampoo and conditioner. Also got the Living Proof Style Lab TBD Multitasking Styler. Got a nice amount of this. This is about 1 fluid ounce. From Origins, I'm excited about this mask. This is the retexturizing mask with rose clay. Love the packaging on that. See that? That's nice. And then I got this bronzer from Hoola. This is from Benefit. The bronzer looks like that. There's the packaging. And then from Makeup Forever, I got C211. This is the nude lipstick that I got from Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever has nice formula lipsticks, by the way. And then last but not least, the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right, my friends, that is everything in this month's Sephora Play. Beauty School is the theme. If you get Sephora Play, let me know what you got in your bag because we do get different things depending on your profile and what you filled out. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm on that road to 1,000. When I get to 1,000, there will be a giveaway. I will let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. I know you like, why don't you just tell us? You gotta wait. Patience is a virtue, my friend. All right, friends. I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나